back door frame. Then heard that glass hit the kitchen sink. Mama whispered, baby, stay real still. So I held my breath on the windowsill. Daddy's truck lift gravel tracks, and I watched those tail lights never come back.